Hi everyone, welcome back to ARMCANDY. We've got another gorgeous Miu Miu to show you today. So this is a Miu Miu two-way hobo and it's in a lovely crinkled leather and this nice kind of dusty pale pink colour. We've got double top handles and we've got loads of gorgeous gold kind of chunky hardware, which looks really cool. It feels very noughties. And then we've got a removable strap which just clips on to those top handles with this little butterfly clip you can see. And we've got a belt closure for the main bag, which has a little pinch lock fasten. So you just pinch that and it pops out like that. And then inside we have got a really cool purple satin lining. And then we've got one zipped pocket here. And you can see we've got the little Miu Miu badge on a flat pocket in front of that zipped pocket too. So I'll just show you that zip as well. So the condition of it, we've called it good all around. You can tell that it has had pre-loved life. It's been well loved. This exterior leather, as I said, it is crinkled, so it's meant to kind of have that worn look to it anyway. So it kind of suits being worn and having a little bit of wear to it. There's not a lot of marks for me to show you. You can see a little bit of marking just around here. The corners actually are not too bad of a condition. There's just a bit of a mark on one of these front corners, and then the rest of them are in quite a nice condition. And then we've just got a little mark near the top of the bag as well. So that is why I've called that exterior good. The hardware, again, we've called good. You can see that it's got a little bit of cloudiness to it. And there's a little bit of silver coming through on some of that hardware, but areas like this clip, that's really nice. It's got a lovely gold tone to it still. And those handle loops, again, have got a nice gold tone, they're nice and shiny. So that is why we've called the hardware good. And then the interior, let me open it up again and show you that gorgeous purple satin lining. There's just a little bit of a mark on here. So you can see a bit of a mark on that flat pocket there. But other than that, that interior, again, is in a nice condition. And so that is why we've called the interior good. Let me get it closed so that I can show you what it comes with. So we've just got the Miu Miu dust bag. So you can see the little Miu Miu badge on the bottom there. And if you would like the link to shop, go to the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you straight to this bag on our website, ARMCANDYBAG CO. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if you've seen this, you've fallen in love with it, let us know, we'll get you on the request list for one. And then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. Exact measurements are on the website. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So you can have it with that strap, which means you can pop it nice and easily on the shoulder or pop it crossbody as well. Or it is really nice and easy to take that strap off. Those butterfly clips are really easy to use, so you can see just slips off really nice and easily. And then you've just got those nice top handles as well. And this is a feature I forgot to show you in the beginning. I love these kind of knotted leather bow details on either side. I think they're really cute, especially in this colour. And then you can see with those top handles, you've just got a really cute little miniature top handle bag. Very naughty, very Y2K. So if this is your kind of thing, go to the link in the description below, have a look at it on our website, sign up to our newsletter and we will send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Have a look at the How to Sell with Us page as well if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. And don't forget, while you're here, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We have more gorgeous bags to show you pretty much every day, so hit that alert button and we'll be back very soon.